Hello, hi students. Let's start today math class. Exercise 11 is going on. So I will teach few more questions from this exercise. So let's concentrate toward the class. Question number 19 I selected from the question exercise 11. So let's see. Three consecutive verses of a parallelogram ABCD are A given, B given and C given. But what is not given? D is not given. That we have to find the D. So let's see how can you do. Student, because this is the parallelogram. In parallelograms, diagonals bisect each other. So we have to apply that formula. Diagonals bisect each other. That properties for the diagonal. This is the parallelogram A, B, C, or we can take this way. Anyway, no problem that. Anyway, you can take that. A, B, C, and D. A given 1, 2. B given 1, 0. C given 4, 0. And D is unknown. We have to find D. So let D be x, y. We have to find x value and y value. Okay. Join AC. What is AC? Diagonal. And what is BD? Diagonal. So these are diagonals of the parallelogram, which is AC and BD. So as you know, diagonals bisect each other. So this will be midpoint for both diagonal. For both the diagonal, there will be midpoint. Let this is the O. Suppose this is the O. So by using AC, because A and C coordinates given, by using point A and C, we should find that midpoint of O. So to find that O, midpoint having that. What is formula for the midpoint? As you know, A x1 y1 B x2 y2. To find the midpoint, what formula apply? x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. We applied this formula to find the midpoint D. ठीक है, यहाँ भी इसी तरह से लगाना midpoint के लिए. Suppose this is x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. So what will be O for AC? For AC, O is the midpoint. Since the diagonals bisect each other, find the midpoint O. What will be that? 1 plus 4 upon 2 and 2 plus 0 upon 2. What will be this? O will be 5 upon 2 and 1. How came that? 4, 1, 5 upon 2 and 2 plus 0, 2 upon 2, 2 cancel, that will be 1. So O midpoint came that 5 upon 2 comma 1. This is the midpoint came. 5 upon 2 comma 1. By using this midpoint, same midpoint will be for this diagonal BD. वही midpoint BD के लिए भी होगा. So by using same midpoint, we have to use that midpoint formula to find x and y. Let's see. Since diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, so O is the mid point of BD. O is the midpoint of BD. वो BD का भी midpoint है. So suppose this is to understand this way that BD, B कितना है? B 1, 0 है और D कितना है? x, y है. जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, इस तरह से सेपरेट लाइन बना करके हम एक्सप्लेन कर दे रहे हैं. व्हाट इज O मिड पॉइंट? कितना है इसका? 5.2, 1. ठीक. अच्छा, मिड पॉइंट क्या होता है? x1 y1 एंड x2 y2. Suppose this is the midpoint कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस मिड पॉइंट भी ए बी। तो ए कैसे निकलते हैं? हाउ यू फाइंड दैट ए? x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2। टू फाइंड ए x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2 लगाते हैं। बी हाउ यू फाइंड दैट? टू फाइंड बी, बी y1 प्लस y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन 2। वी यूज दिस वे। तो ए बी हियर गिवन कितना है? 5 अपॉन 2, 5 upon 2 comma 1, this given that. So by using in the place of a कितना रखना है? 5 upon 2 और b के स्थान पर 1. So by using this is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. अब यहाँ x2 means that x. So 5 upon 2 is equal to 1 plus x upon 2. 2 to what is? Cancel. So can write that 5 is equal to 1 plus x transpose 1, or we can write 5 minus 1 is equal to x, or x is equal to what will be 4. So first we found that x value 4. Now for y value 1 is equal to ये तो ना b is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. इसी तरह से b के स्थान पर कितना दिया? 1 दिया है। So 1 is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 1 is equal to 0 plus y upon 2. 2 को ट्रांसपोज कर दीजिए। So 2 is equal to what will be? y. So we found that y value 2 came, x value 4 came, y value 2 came. So coordinate of D, what is came that answer? That is 4 comma 2. This is the question. You find the fourth vertex D. So this is the fourth vertex D, 4 comma 2. ठीक है? आप इसकी this is not necessary to draw this line that. You can use direct that. If your concept clear that, you can use direct. But this I am drawn the line to make the clear for them. Those who are little weak cannot understand. So this way they can understand by using the formula of midpoint. Right? So now take the next question to solve from the exercise 11. Now question number 20 of this exercise question taken here that if the points A minus 2 minus 1 B 1 0 C P 3 and D 1 Q A B C D given that of parallelogram ABCD, find the values of P and Q. But P and Q, these two are the unknown. In previous question was that one vertex was the unknown that, but here 2 vertex given fully but 2 not given fully mean that incomplete. So we have to find P and Q by using the same process from the previous question that no different that. ठीक है? Now let's see that how can do. We got in the parallelogram. So same process you have to apply that. Diagonal bisect to each other. This is the parallelogram A B C D. A what is? Minus 2 minus 1 A given, that is B given 1 comma 0, C given P3 P comma 3 and D given 1 comma Q. These things are given for this question. P is here and Q is there. We have to find P and Q. Join as you done in the previous question. For question number 19, same process you have to apply again here. What is O? O is the midpoint. So this midpoint will be for both diagonal AC and BD. AC and BD दोनों के लिए सेम मिड पॉइंट होगा। चलिए दोनों का यूज करते हुए मिड पॉइंट निकाल लेते हैं। यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं फर्स्ट ईयर राइट दैट सिंस diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, O is the midpoint of AC and BD. O will be midpoint for both diagonals. That region already written here. That right. So by using this, we have to find P and Q. Let's find the O for the AC. For AC, AC के लिए O निकाल लेते हैं. वो क्या है यहाँ? मिड पॉइंट है. कैसे निकलेगा? x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2. सो O विल बी -2 प्लस p अपॉन 2 -1 प्लस 3 अपॉन 2. दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट फॉर AC. राइट, समझ में आ रहा? AC के लिए हमने मिड पॉइंट निकाल दिया O. कैसे निकला? x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2, y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन 2. ये x1 समझ लो, ये y1 समझ लो, ये x2 समझ लो, या y2 समझ लो. लिख दिया यहाँ -2 प्लस p अपॉन 2 -1 प्लस 3 अपॉन 2. राइट, होप कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर दैट. ठीक है. नाउ फॉर BD, BD के लिए कोई रिड्यूस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फॉर BD व्हाट विल बी? O BD x1 y1 x2 y2 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 2, 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 2, 0 प्लस q अपॉन 2, 0 प्लस q अपॉन 2. So both are same midpoint. O, same O. O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD. So it means these two value will be equal. ये दोनों वैल्यू भी डिफरेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. राइट, यहाँ 3 - 1 कितना होगा? 2/2 कर लीजिएगा. तो चलिए चेक कर लेते हैं. बिकॉज O is the same, so this value will be equal to that value. So we can write -2 plus p upon 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2. So 1 plus 1 how much that? 2. चाहे आप 1 कर लीजिए या इसको कैंसिल कर दीजिए, वॉट एवर डिजायर डेट. ठीक है, जो भी इच्छा हो, जो है जैसा भी इच्छा हो. सो -2 प्लस p, चलिए इसको हमने कट कर दिया. 1 प्लस 1 कितना होगा? 2 होगा. ये 2 उधर जाएगा, ट्रांसपोज दैट 2. सो p इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 2, 2 प्लस 2, नॉट करेक्ट दैट, सम डिफरेंट लुकिंग दैट. -2 प्लस p अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 2/2, दैट इज द 1. Here what will be here? 2/2 mean that 1, and here if you simplify, so 3 minus 1, 2/2, here also will be 1. So let's check that. 2 minus 2 plus p upon 2 is equal to 1. Where was the fault? That is equal to 1. Oh, that was the correct that. So -2 plus p is equal to 2, p is equal to 2 plus 2. 4, that was the correct that. It is my silly fault that. Okay, student, p came that 4, and similarly this q upon 2 is equal to 1. This will be equal to, ये भी equal होगा. So q upon 2 is equal to 1, or we can say q is equal to 2. ठीक है. So p का वैल्यू कितना आ गया? 4 आ गया. q का वैल्यू कितना आ गया? 2 आ गया. This was the question. For this question find that p and q. ठीक है. हाँ. Okay, student, next question. Now student, very simple questions here written that of exercise 11, 22 question number. Find the third vertex of a triangle if its two vertices are -1 4 5 2. Two vertices are given but one is the unknown. Because it is the triangle, there will be 3 vertices, 2 are given, 1 is unknown. One condition given that midpoint of one side. It is not given that which side that. Little confusion here that which side. Confusion nahi hai, don't worry about that. It is looking the confusion but having no confusion that. Midpoint of any side given that. So let's check that. किसका हो सकता है? This is the triangle. This is triangle A, B and C. What is A? Suppose this is -1, 4, -1, 4. What is B? 5, 2. B is 5, 2 and C is unknown. So let C be XY. Solution. Let C be XY. Where to find the C? Okay. 0, 3 is the midpoint of one side. 3 साइड है ए बी बी सी ए सी. ये नहीं दिया किस साइड का है. दिस नॉट गिवन दैट ऑफ विच साइड दैट. वे टू फाइंड दिस. देखिए ए बी का मिड पॉइंट तो नहीं लग रहा है. क्यों नहीं लग रहा? यू विल फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी. यू विल फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी. मिड point of AB. So what will be here? -1 plus 5 upon 2, 4 plus 2 upon 2. So that will be 4 upon 2 and 6 upon 2. That will be 2, 3. But this is 0, 3. So is this sure that it will be not midpoint of AB? ये क्लियर हो गया है कि 0, 3 will be not midpoint of AB क्योंकि AB का midpoint 2, 3 आ रहा है. Right? So here we can write that कि 0, 3 will be not zero three. चलिए ऐसे लिखिए is not mid point of AB. AB का नहीं होगा. It may be 0, 3 may be midpoint of BC or AC. यह BC का हो सकता है या AC का हो सकता है. हमें नहीं क्लियर है किसका है. ठीक है, तो हम दोनों को सॉल्व कर दोनों को लेकर के हमें चलना है. इन दिस केस दैट यू कांट यूज दैट वन साइड ओनली. एक तो क्लियर हो गया कि 0, 3 will be not midpoint of AB. That is the clear that. But it is not clear that 0, 3 will be midpoint of BC or AC. It may be of BC or may be of AC. So in this kind of the situations, you have to solve by both taking the both side. दोनों side को लेकर के हमें solve करना है. So first let BC को हम लेते हैं. If 0, 3 is the mid point of BC. अगर 0, 3 को हम BC का मिड पॉइंट मान लेते हैं कि है ये. ठीक है, इन दैट केस व्हाट विल बी. मिड पॉइंट क्या होता है आपको पता है. सपोज दैट दिस इज द D. इसको हम ले लेते हैं, कंसिडर D. So that is 0, 3. Suppose 0, 3 is the midpoint of BC. In that case, what will be XY? This is the midpoint. 0 is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So here will be 0 is equal to 5 plus x upon 2. Yes, 0 is equal to 5 plus x upon 2. Transpose these two, what will be? 0. So can be written x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x is equal to -5. First answer. If D is the midpoint of BC. Now for the y, अभी पिछला बताए हैं कि if this is the AB, so A is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, B is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So similarly here I am using that 3 is equal to y1 plus y2. It means that 2 plus y upon 2. 2 3 जा 6 is equal to 2 plus y, or transpose 6 minus 2 is equal to y, or we can say y is equal to 4. So we found that two value, x value and y value. X came minus 5 and y came 4. So in this case, if D is the midpoint of BC, so we found that C will be minus 5 comma 4. This is the coordinate of vertex C, minus 5 comma 4. But if taken दिस 0,3 मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC, यदि हम इस 0,3 को AC का मिड पॉइंट मान लें तो क्या होगा? चलिए, इफ 0,3 इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC, सपोज दैट D इज नहीं यहाँ पर है 0,3. This D is the midpoint of that AC. In that case, what will be? This 0 is equal to minus 1 plus x upon 2. 0 is equal to minus 1 plus x upon 2. क्या होता है? x1 plus x2 upon 2 is equal to a. So this is the a. x1 plus x2 upon 2. Right? What will be here? 2 transpose the 2. The 2 will be multiplied with 0. That will be 0. So can be written x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 2 is equal to 0, or 0 is equal to minus 1 plus x. x1 will be transposed, it will be positive. So we can write x is equal to 1. So we found here x value came 1. Now for second, see that second के लिए 3 is equal to 4 plus y upon 2. B is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 3 is equal to 4 plus y upon 2. Transpose these two, what will be? 6 is equal to 4 plus y. 4 plus y. 4 transpose this side, that 6 minus 4 is equal to what will be? Y. 6 minus 4, 2 is equal to y. So we found in this case x value 1 and y value 2. Then what will be coordinate of C? Coordinate of C will be 1 comma 2. So we found two coordinate. We found that two coordinate. Yes, one was that minus 5 comma 4, and second is the 1 comma 2. So here two different answer came, because one time using the BC, this is not given that which line we taken as a midpoint. So this is clear that AB will be, this will be not midpoint of AB, but it may be the midpoint of BC or AC. So in this case, that we have to check for both sides that. So we found that two values. First value was that C minus 5 comma 4, and second value we found at 1 2. If taken the BC, midpoint D of BC, then came this answer. If D is the midpoint of AC, then came this answer. So there will be two answers for this question. So dear student, this much things I taught you that. Please few questions, remaining questions in between if any. So you try to solve on the basis of this solution that. So you can learn more. Do more practice that to learn the more. Otherwise, very difficult. Mathematics is easy, but if you will not do the practice, it will be really very difficult for you that, and you can't understand that. So to understand more, so please watch the video and try to understand. Then on the basis of this, you solve some more question. Thanks all of you.